Hello aspirant, this question is from the UPSC CSAT examination of 2024. This is specifically is the Venn diagram question. What the question is saying, in an examination, 80% of students passed in English, 70% of students passed in Hindi, and 15% of the students failed in both the subjects. What is the percentage of the students who failed in only one subject? So first of all, write down the information, make it a habit. Whenever you are reading any of the question, you need to write down the information first. So 80% of the student passed in English. So the failed student in English are 20%. 70% of student passed in Hindi. And so the failed student in Hindi are 30%. And the 15% of the students are failed in both the subjects. So 15% student, both subjects may fail. So let's make a Venn diagram for it. In this diagram, we can write here like this is the student passed in English and this is the student of Hindi. If the 15 students are failed overall in both the subjects, means this overlap area में 15 students are failed. But in English, only 20 students are failed. So 15 are failed here. Then we are left 5 students here. 15 plus 5, 20 failed in English. Similarly, the 30 students were failed in Hindi. So 15 plus 15, 30. So the 30 students failed in Hindi and the 20 students failed in English. We need to be tell what percentage of the students who failed only in one subject. Here are the 5 students who only failed in English. Here are the 50 students which are only failed in Hindi. So the total number of the students who are only failed in single subject are 15 plus 5. That is a 20 students. So that's a 20%. So the answer here will be B. So we can solve these kind of the question by understanding the statements and by writing, making the Venn diagram here. So at Edukemy, we are going to start our CSAT classes from the 15th of September. Stay tuned to it. You can join through the Edukemy website. For the practice, you can join the Edukemy Telegram channel.